Hey there guys, amazing lighting choice. I will be on my way to Cologne in a second. I will call it by its German name because I hate the English name. I've never been there. I go there for work as always. So yeah, I'll have a little bit of time to, sneak around basically on my last day, which is Friday. Today is Tuesday, so I go there tonight and then I'll have a workshop for 3 days there and then I go back home. So I thought I would take you along, even though I have no idea what happens and if there is anything worth filming. But that's always the deal with vlogs, isn't it? So yeah, if you want to see what happens in Köln, then keep on watching. Hey there guys, sorry for the horrible lighting, but I arrived super late in Köln yesterday. So I pretty much just went to bed. I'm staying at a girl's home via Airbnb, so she's not here currently. She will arrive tonight late, which I don't mind because I don't like people, so this is great for me. So I just got ready for the workshop. I'll have to head out in a second, and I have my first a little bit of gingerbread right now for breakfast. I have not had any gingerbread this year. I'm very proud of myself because since yesterday it's officially Christmas time here. Yeah, yesterday it was really cool. When you get out of the train station, the main train station here, you're pretty much right next to the cathedral. I think that's what you call it. It's very, very famous. And I've never been here before, so I had no idea that it would be like right next to the train station. And I was so stunned. Like, this building is so big. And I don't know, if you have something that you've only ever seen in pictures, like maybe the Eiffel Tower or something like that, and then you're standing right in front of it and you didn't expect it, and it felt so cool. Like, I pretty much felt like a dinosaur was standing next to me. Like, I was so stunned. I took a picture of it, which I hope that I'll remember to add it in. Yeah, that was so surreal, kind of, and it's such a big building, so I'll definitely go there again and check it out from all the angles on Friday. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that because, yeah, I don't know, my boss said that Köln is not a pretty city, and so far I wouldn't agree. I have not really seen a lot of it, but it looked nice enough, at least the part that I'm staying in right now. So yeah, I don't have a ton of battery left and I don't have my charger with me, so I'm gonna start rambling now and just show you a few impressions, I guess, but I wanted to check in at least.
Hey there guys, sorry for the horrible lighting. I just wanted to film a quick ending to this video. I guess this wasn't a super long video, I don't know, I haven't edited it yet, but I didn't do like a lot. As always, when I go to places for work, I don't have like a ton of time to go sightseeing, but it was nice to see some of Cologne during the Christmas time, which has just started here in Germany. So yeah, that was a very nice trip. The Airbnb where I stayed was a little bit weird, but apart from that, I had a good time. We went to a really good Nepalese restaurant. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's very close to the cathedral, so if you're ever there, just ask Google. It knows where to go for dinner. Yeah, just I had a lot of fun. It was a great trip. I learned a lot, which is the most important thing. And I'm really excited to see how I can, incorporate that in my own research. And I just hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. And I think next week I will show you my Christmas decoration if you're interested. So if you are, let me know down below in the comments. And apart from that, I hope you have a lovely time, a great Christmas time if you celebrate, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!